Somewhat recently, we reached 50k subs on the channel, and I've put myself in this position where I do this every time, so here's to another 10k. And these videos also give me the opportunity just to give a few updates and stuff. I always like to give back to the people that have supported me, so I'll do a little giveaway again. All the details will be at the end of the video. Alright, so thanks again for the continued support. I mean, just having people watch is all I need. Having people watch means I get more of the knowledge of mechanical keyboards out there to people, and I will always try and deliver the information people need to figure out whatever they need to figure out through all the reviews and builds I do. And by chucking in a custom here and there, we also drag more people into the enthusiast community. But it's always good to look for growth, so there will be a bit of change. I found that I had most fun when I took a more creative approach through various projects. So like the Pain 27 build I did by hand. A terrible keyboard, and I haven't used it since, but you know what? Even though it was a huge amount of work, it let me be creative and take away the seriousness and monotony that kinda can be had with mechs. The same goes with the Dilly Chocolate build I did. Haven't used it since, but it was fun and it's nice to look at once in a while. And stuff like the meetup videos, I always find those fun to do. And it's great to meet all the different people in the community, so hopefully I can do more of that. I guess what I want to do is to be more interesting. I love novelty stuff. If I can do more novelty builds, then I'll be happy. They do take way more work and planning compared to a standard review that I can bang out relatively quickly, so I think I'll have to be a bit more picky on what I accept to review. But yeah, I have some awesome builds planned. And there will be improvements. I've invested in a new camera and lenses and all that stuff, and there will be other setup and gear upgrades and possibly some newish sets to help spice it up a bit. I'm not sure if I'll go over to 4K just yet, just because I don't have a suitable computer at the moment, plus Australian internet without NBN is not so great. Anyway, to the giveaway. I've been building and building, but I've learned that I just can't afford to keep doing bigger giveaways, so I'll give away just the one big prize this time and a couple of extra goodies. But look at this thing, you'd be absolutely blessed to have this on your desk or on your wall. So basically, a champion named James did this with his Pain 27, as it truly is a piece of art. And yeah, I just completely copied him because it's too hard to beat. And I wanted to give away the best, which happens to be my favorite keyboard of last year. So here is the Tay Keyboards 50k sub Pain 27. A huge thanks to my mate Lazy Ninja for helping me out with the acrylic piece and also getting a bit of footage. But yeah, how good is this? It's only a cheap frame, but this might be one of the times where I actually like a floating design, so it can stand up or hang, but it does of course work, but is obviously unusable for normal people. And I'll also be giving away these awesome acrylic wares from my great mate Lazy Ninja. So these are the keyboard stands that I use in my videos. So again, a huge thanks to him. Make sure you check out his Instagram and website for more info on his stuff, which I'll link in the description. To enter, it's very simple as always. Just make sure you're subscribed to the channel and click the link in the description to enter. Everyone will just have the one entry, and you don't have to, but comment down below on what you look forward to in 2019, whether it be with keyboards or something else in life. I'll leave this open for 1 week, and I'll pin a comment with the winners here, and of course get in touch with them. I wish everyone the best of luck, and thank you again for helping me grow this channel to where it is today. It's always made me happy seeing people watch and seeing people comment and just seeing enthusiasm around mechanical keyboards. Hopefully the rest of the year will be even better for you and for me, and I hope that we can all continue to grow.